Hello, let us see an example illustrating decorators in Python. We will write a safe division function that checks whether the denominator is a 0, and if so, we simply return 0. Let us test this function with a couple of examples and ensure that no division by 0 error occurs. We can replace this with a decorator and a simple division function as follows. So decorator is a function that takes a function and creates a wrapper function to be used in place of the original function. So here our wrapper will simply forward all original arguments to the function, catch any exceptions, and return the default value 0. We can annotate our division function with this decorator function and then try running this program. So we have to return the wrapper from the decorator function, and now it should work properly. So instead of using a fixed value like 0, we might want to use a custom default value, in which case we can create a function that creates a decorator and returns it. So the decorator should create the wrapper function and return it. So inside the wrapper, instead of 0, we return the given default, and we can pass arguments to the decorator like so. So we must ensure that the decorator function is returned from the decorator creation function. Now let us try running this program and ensure that it works. So notice that there are 3 nested functions here. The top level is a function that creates a decorator, then the decorator, and then the wrapper. So one problem with the current implementation when using it in interactive mode is that when you inspect the function, you will see the wrapper instead of the original function's parameters and doc strings, if any. So we can solve this by using the func tools library and use its decorator to wrap functions. So once that is done, we can go back to the Python interactive mode, import the library and get the documentation and observe that the original function and parameters are shown.